Talofa lava and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we share opportunities for you to learn about and connect to Samoa. My name is Measina. Today we're going to be teaching you 5 Samoan phrases that anybody who doesn't speak Samoan should know. Our first Samoan phrase that you should know if you don't speak Samoan is, do you speak English? And we ask this by saying, E te iloa tautala whaaperetania. E te iloa tautala whaaperetania. And that again is, do you speak English? So you can interchange that with different languages like German, Siamangi. So have fun with that one. Phrase number 2 for Samoan phrases if you don't speak Samoan is, I don't speak Samoan. One of the most important phrases if you cannot speak Samoan. So I don't speak Samoan in Samoan is o te leiloa tautala wha Samoa. Te leiloa tautala wha Samoa. I don't speak Samoan. So we're going to take a quick break just to let you know that Measina Treasures of Samoa offer online classes and courses that allow you and your whole family to learn about Samoan language and culture. And so if you are finding value in this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to support us to bring out more Samoan videos for you to help you learn Samoan, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now, if you're really enjoying this video, I want you to comment down below in what other Samoan phrases you would like to know. So whether it's going to the shop, whether it's asking about questions about a hotel. So any of those kind of ideas that you'd like to throw our way, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and we'll get back to our 5 phrases for people who don't speak Samoan. One question that many of us are going to want to know how to ask is, do you understand? So communication is all about understanding, and if you don't know if the other person is understanding you, then obviously it's going to cause some issues. So for you to ask, do you understand in Samoan, you would say, wa e malamalama. Wa e malamalama. Do you understand? We all know that communication is a two-way street. So our 4th phrase is, I understand. So you need to let the person you're speaking to know that you understand. And so your phrase is, I understand. You would say that by saying, wa o malamalama. Wa o malamalama. Wa o malamalama. I understand. So our 5th Samoan phrase, if you don't speak Samoan, is, I don't understand. This happens a lot, and in order for us to communicate well, we need to be able to say we don't understand if somebody's saying something. And we say, I don't understand in Samoan. We say, o te le malamalama. O te le malamalama. O te le malamalama. I don't understand. Thank you for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. Remember, if you would like to learn more about Samoan language and culture, there are links in our description to our Samoan language classes, courses, and our cultural courses as well. So we actually have a bonus for you today. So if you've hit the subscribe button, yes, this is our bonus content for you. So it's a bonus phrase. What is the bonus phrase for today? Our bonus phrase is, how do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? And you would say that in Samoan. E whaapewhea o na whaaleo le upu lea. E whaapewhea o na whaaleo le upu lea. And that is our 5 Samoan phrases if you don't speak Samoan. So hope you enjoyed it. Remember, like this video, subscribe if you want to support us for more Samoan culture. And we will see you again. Toi whai loa'i.